Bird a round of applause.
Goal team rules!
The red book square, we have target audience. Let's give them a round of applause. And now, we, as the judge and the ref, we've been having a little bit too much fun today. And we thought we want to share some of the fun with you guys. So this match is actually going to be determined by audience applause.
Oh, baby.
It comes down to it.
You've got this.
So I need all of you guys to pay attention.
If you fall in the hole, you still win.
Who's going to win this match? I can tell you a little bit about how we judge these matches, but that's no fun. I'm going to let you guys all decide it, and we'll see what happens. All right, so competitors, are you ready?
Yes.
Judge/audience, are you ready?
Yeah!
There we go. All right, let's get counting down. Audience, 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight! And Drinky Bird is already trying to drink target audience.
There you go, there you go.
In front of Drinky Bird.
Back it, back it, back it! Yeah! 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 You weapon locked it! Watch out for the seam there.
Both bots are cycling around one another. Target audience flipping Drinky Bird around into the backside.
Seam. Yep, that's the clean side. That's how you get out of it.
Drinky Bird comes back in for revenge. Target audience spinning up their weapon. Target audience getting underneath Drinky Bird, but Drinky Bird's spinning around. Drinky Bird slamming.
Get him! Yeah!
Target audience pushing it back.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, yeah!
30 seconds.
Drinky Bird getting target audience up against the side of the arena.
Oh, look at that!
Drinky Bird
Alright,
rights himself.
reset, there you go.
Another big hit.
15 seconds until victory is open.
Drinky Bird cycling around, trying to get to the backside of target audience.
4, 3, 2.
1. Victorious is open.
Okay.
They're taking another strike. Target audience backing up against the wall.
Get him, yeah! Yeah!
He's standing up.
Drinky Bird!
All right. So like I said, I needed the judge.
That was the last part.
So who thinks target audience won? Anybody? Anybody?